Unconditional love she will always hold. There is no sin she won't forgive instantly, for she knows we were all born blind into cycles of oppression, class systems, institutions, narratives, curated to control mind, body, spirit. For too long, she's watched the rulers versus the people. Our past was written by them. My ancestors, Celts and Slavs, once we were the majority across Europe, branches of the same old tree. They called us pagan, peasant, savage, but we were sovereign. Long we flourished and defended. Our women were seers, storm speakers, guardians, threshold keepers, my motherline, weavers. Our moon bleeds, sacred. 13 moon month calendar, fucking obvious. Invasion, taxation, assimilation. That wasn't our religion. The Roman cross of crucifixion. What a logo. Earth-based cultures, New Earth has mother, ancestor, kin, and we, her divine extension, her vessel, her voice. Mother speaks through the body. Our feelings, also hers. The rage, the grief, it's all holy. She sees us whole, enduring, returning. The Egyptian Book of the Dead is clear. Hardened, heavy hearts are consumed. Heaven is mother's womb. She lets us rest, then choose to return. And we do, for our love of humanity is endless. The story of humanity is impossible. Resilience.